This is Anna, and this is Check It at the Round Table, where we discuss movies, books, music, and stuff. Today, we are the unboxing of the Skyy ordered from GMMTV. Finally, I'm so happy. So, you know what we have. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm sorry, but seriously, it really is quite pretty. This is the Skyy set. It has the little rainbow in the sky. I'm sorry, Skyy 2. So this has basically sequel episodes for Never Let Me Go, Star in My Mind, The Eclipse, Vice Versa, My School President, Boss and Babe, Bad Buddy series, and 1000 Stars. The only ones I have seen on this were the Vice Versa, Bad Buddy, 1000 Stars mixed together one, and The Eclipse. I really liked them, except the Eclipse one was a little hokey, I will be completely honest in my opinion. But I still liked the end of the Eclipse one. The final episode was totally worth enduring the weird beginning episode. I'm like, I'm not sure what was going on there. But anyway, so the Never Let Me Go, Star in My Mind, Boss and Babe, and My School President one I have not seen yet, but I still forked over about $60 US for the set because the Vice Versa one and the Bad Buddy 1000 Stars one are definitely worth it. Now, this is going to sound really weird, but I did not watch all of the Bad Buddy and 1000 Stars ones either because that was in the middle of a bunch of stuff with school, and I still have not gotten back to watching it, but I did watch the last bit of it, and I really liked what I saw. So I was like, this is worth buying because it will not be available in a short time. And I was right, the pre-order closed, they're all gone. So the other thing is, I look at these as investments because if I ever would decide to sell them, which is not going to happen when it comes to Bad Buddy, probably, but if I would decide to sell them, I would definitely be able to recoup what I bought them for and more, because these sets go for about 200 USD once they quit being sellable on GMMTV. So, corner. This is why you buy wire-rimmed blue glasses. Okay, I'm just saying, it helps. There we go. Okay. I could put my cutting knife here on my desk, but no, I'm not that savvy. Okay. Someday I will be savvy and more organized, but we'll see. So this is what it looks like with the plastic wrap. It opens on the side with a little magnetic clasp. You can see them here and here. Ribbon pull. Okay, so this is the Skyy 2 book. I'm just going to show you guys briefly what it looks like. I do really like these books. They're very high quality, nice pictures, very kind of fun. Okay, I'm just saying. Some of them never let me go. I just couldn't really get that one. It's way too dramatic. I also am not really into the Star in the Mind one, but you know, whatever. Everybody do, but that just was not my thing. I did get parts of Club Food. I really did. Downua was not my thing. He was way too. But anyway, this is Ak and Ian. Clips. I do not like the big fuss they have at the beginning of the episodes. I'm like, that, I just really think they would be beyond that in their development, but you never know. This is Vice Versa. I really liked the Vice Versa one. Was really funny. I think they're one of my favorite couples in Thai dramas. Really are relatable. Plus, Tillay is a demisexual, which I'm like, don't get a lot of representation, so it's kind of nice to have that on occasion. Just saying. This was my school present. It was basically a role reversal one where they switched roles, and it was like, what would it have been like if it had been reversed? I'm like, that was kind of interesting, but way too much singing. I'm just saying, I'm not really into musicals, and that had a lot of singing. I'm like, I really need to go back and rewatch that, but my school present I could handle because some of the songs are quite nice. I have the music boxes for my kiddos later on, but I'm just saying. And this was the Boss and Babe one. Again, I did watch most of that series, but I just couldn't get into that one. I mean, no offense. The boss dude was way too Cary Grant for me. That's kind of an understatement and a major drawback. This is 1,000 Stars. Again, I liked the combination of Bad Buddy and 1,000 Stars, but I really hated the fussing and nagging that went on in the beginning of the episodes. I'm like that. Now, I did have to say, seeing Pat get all those texts from Pran when he was out drinking with friends and woke up the next morning, that was kind of funny, but not because it was naggy, but just because I'm like, that is so Pat. Pat would so do that, and Pran would be sitting there in their apartment going, where the heck is Pat? And then he would finally get fed up and go, I know where Pat is. He's off with his buddies, drinking way too much, and I'm going on the bus like I said I was. And then he just heads off. I'm like, that does fit them. So anyway, this is... But anyway, I did like parts of that, but I did not like the nagging, especially between the 1,000 Stars couple that I just found really kind of annoying. I think they're trying to kind of basically feminize them in BL drama, and I'm like, they're not feminized. They're both guys. We don't need to do this. It's annoying, and it's also very, very unkind toward women to say that this is a feminine thing. I'm just saying, I think that's what they're going for, and I find that very annoying on so many levels. I really don't even want to go there. But anyway, so, but I did still like the end of this one. That's the booklet. Okay, I'm not sure what these are. I'm not really in, oh, these are those photo card thingies. Okay, I really don't get the whole photo card thingies, but we do have the photo card thingies. Different couples. I usually like to get my photo cards from the Soul of Dilly because they have very funny photo cards from the BL dramas, like of the awkward, hilarious scenes. And I'm like, those I like, but these are just like way too school picture meets BL drama, and that's weird to me. But anyway, those are the photo cards. I will go through them slower so everyone can see if they're interested. Photo cards, and on the back is a cute little rainbow. But again, I'm just not really into these kind of photo cards. It's like I was watching Hard Love recently, and I was like, you know, if they ever made a sequel to that one, they should have their wedding engagement photo be when that couple is running with the newspapers that they've stolen to get rid of the bad engagement picture. That should be the couple picture. I'm like, I don't know, these kind of pictures are just weird to Anna. I'm like, they're not emblematic of what they really are like in person. It's way too, you know, cut and dried. That's the photo cards. These are the postcards. The postcards from GMMTV have kind of gone down in quality because we no longer have the cute backs on them. They're just plain backed photo cards, which I find very, very, I mean, they should be double-sided. But anyway. Okay, so we have 1,000 Stars. Okay, they're having a pillow fight. It looks romantical, but I don't think it goes there with that couple. Okay, there we go. At least not in that scene. But anyway, this. Star My Mind. Star My Mind. Back in the Yan Eclipse. Okay, I really didn't get the whole Brokeback Mountain set where I was like, that story ends very sadly. We do not want a repeat of that. And why did we even put this in a Thai drama with cowboys? I'm like, I've been to Thailand on vacation. There were no cowboy things there. There were a lot of cool things, but no cowboys. I'm like, why this Weird segue. But anyway, I'm sure someone thought it was a brilliant idea. No offense to the director, but that was strange. Okay, this is Vice Versa. Again, I think they're my favorite couple. I don't know, though. Bad Buddy's a good couple, too. Brett can be a little naggy, though. This couple isn't very... Well, Tilly can sometimes get there, but not very often. Okay, Vice Go Present. They're a cool couple, too. I like them. If I was going to vote for success, I would say they would probably have it. There we go. And this is Boss and Babe. Have my doubts on that one. This is Bad Buddy. This scene is not entirely appropriate, but I loved this beginning scene. That was funny. That was really funny. Okay, and this is 1000 Stars, and I'm having just a laugh. Okay. So those are the non-double-sided postcards. I'm really not into the postcards either, although I do have to say I do have my Bad Buddy postcard of them sitting at the bar when they're adults. I love that picture. I'm like, that is a good couple picture. Okay, so this is the DVD set. It is tabulated for some weird reason on pieces of cardstock. Okay. Now I've seen everything. I'm just kidding. I probably will see more than this in my life. But anyway, so this is the Never Let Me Go and Star My Mind. This is the Eclipse and Vice Versa. This is the My School President and Boss and Babe. This is the Bad Buddy and 1000 Stars. And this is the music videos and behind the scenes. The pictures on the screen. Okay. So also with inflation, these have gone up. They used to be $50 a set, approximately. This one was $60 for the set. And again, I debated on these, but I'm like, Anna, it's one of those things that I will regret, like I regret that I didn't buy a moi on the thumb drive. You know, we all have things that we wish we would have done differently in life. That's one of them. So anyway, also this photo book doesn't have nice little quotes throughout like the other photo books I have from My School President and Bad Buddy, but still, it's nice. And we also don't have a little thank you page at the back, which all the staff would write what they were thankful for and who they appreciated and all that. And like, we don't have that in this one, but it's okay. I'm going to some other things. Oh, and we have. Oh, these are rotating on the front cover. You can put different little pictures. Okay, I just messed that up. I thought that was in the envelope. Okay, you can put different pictures in the front cover. So we have the rainbow. We have the Never Let Me Go. We have the Star in Our Mind. We have the Eclipse. We have the Vice Versa. We have the My School President. We have the Boss and Babe. We have the Bad Buddy. We have the 1000 Stars. I do hate how I'm having trouble fitting them back in the window here. Okay, come on. There we go. Okay, I personally like the rainbow one, just as it is. This is going to go behind me on my shelf. Okay. I also ordered some new shelves for my office. I'm going there and I'm going to put all these doodads and things on. I also just discovered anime figures on eBay. I'm like, I'm not spending much, but I'm getting quite a few little figures. Very appropriately dressed ones because I found out that they're often not. I was like, oh. I had a lot of my students say they're getting anime figures, but I didn't know they were that kind sometimes. And then I got the Long Na mask, which I'll make another video on here.